Ever wonder who keeps your online courses running, your gradebook syncing, and your video lectures uploading without a hitch? Meet the ITS Learning Platforms Group. They're the behind-the-scenes team making sure your digital classroom runs like a well-oiled machine. They don't just support technology, they orchestrate it. From Canvas to Respondus, Turnitin to Adobe Creative Campus, they make sure every tool is configured, updated, and ready to roll when you are. They handle the not-so-glamorous stuff too, like user accounts, permissions, and licenses. Think of it as the plumbing of your online learning experience. Not flashy, but absolutely essential. And trust us, you know when it's not working. And when you need a little extra help, they don't just fix problems, they teach. Workshops, consultations, training sessions. They're here to make sure faculty, staff, and students know how to get the most out of these tools. So next time you breeze into Canvas or fire up an instructional tool without a glitch, you can thank the Learning Platforms Group. They're the quiet heroes of your digital classroom, keeping things running so you can focus on what really matters: teaching and learning.